Today's video is for Miss Terry T. And she was asking me about this is blood meal and the bone meal from one of the videos that we just did probably about a week ago. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna actually show you kind of how we, if you can give them like a view of the high tunnel, we're gonna show you kind of how we got the growth that we got. This has been about a month, I would say, that we planted our tomatoes, and you saw us, me and my daughter actually do the transplant video of the romaine lettuce. Actually, what we did was we put down a lot of cardboard. We actually, if you go back about a month, we took out about 1.5 inches of the soil so we can come back and bring our own soil in. And we're trying to start building up the soil on our own, so it's taking some time. So this is all just regular garden soil bought from just a regular little garden supply center. And all we want to do is bring this to a row. Now what we do is, you can either open your rows up all the way down, and this stuff is just mixed in. One thing I did notice with putting on this bone meal and blood meal is this stuff causes a lot of mold and things to grow. So when you mix it in, you got to make sure that it's down far enough to where it's not like, if you like sprinkle it on the top, it's going to start causing mold growth. It happened to me inside, which is why we lost a lot of our seed transplants this year, which is why we had to buy transplants. But this is just actually how we do it. It's just this easy. A little the 926 organic blood meal is basically for your blooms. Now this is not a lot because they actually sell the garden mix that's 13 13 13, you know. I don't recommend that because my thing about plants in general and the soil in general is the problem that we're having in commercial agriculture is that when you start using all that stuff, those nutrients or those chemicals actually rob the ground of nutrients. And so what you're seeing is they used to use like 8 8 8, then they went to 10 10 10. Now they're at 13 13 13. But if you start looking at your garden centers like Home Depot, now you're starting to see like 22 22 22. Like, it's never going to be enough. The ground is going to start wanting more of that stuff in order to grow. So you actually, what you're going to have is places that no matter what fertilizer you put on it, is not going to want to grow anything. And they're going to have to keep going up and up. In 50 years, they'll probably need 100, 100, 100, right? So you take that and you just, I can do it, you can do it with your hands, or you can do it with the hoe. If this is too high, you always can. What up, Rick? See what I want now? Now I can kind of grade it out to how I want it. Now, I planted some tomato seeds. I tried to do a little research high tunnel. I planted some tomato seeds in January. And I'm going to show you the size of them right now. So I'm going to walk right here on this same row. You can come this way or you can. And in that spot that we just made that row in, I'm going to come right here. And this one I'm going to leave this one because it's the best looking one. But these here, I can take this out of here. Let's take one more. See how easy it is.
Pineapple. Hey, Mr. Dirty Face.
So you actually can come right here. Take that one. Get down deep as you want. With tomatoes, you already know you can take all these bottom leaves off. Wait up, Zion. Wait up, buddy. Basically, you're ready to grow. I'll take these. See if I can separate this. This is gonna be way easier. You got all your bone meal. Wait up, Ari. Golly. I'm trying to do a video. Alright. So you got all your bone meal, all your blood meal, and you got a balanced fertilizer as well. Now this is on top of the cardboard right here actually. But the roots are gonna find their way to wherever they have to go. And that cardboard generally is gonna break down anyway. So you don't have to worry about that. And that's it. So that's how we amend our soil. That's how we actually that's what we did before we planted everything out here that we planted. So later on this week I'm gonna try to get Beverly to give us a high tunnel gardening tour, just to see what things we got growing. Put some makeup on her and stuff, make her look all pretty and stuff for everybody. Come on. And you want to show the people your hands? You want to show the camera your hands?
Go ahead.
Come right here.
You been working?
Say, look. Say, look at my hands. And say, everybody, grow, grow, grow.
Say bye. Peace up.
Peace.